Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. There's a lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, you get rear parking sensors with a colour reversing camera. Now inside the car it's half leather interior with a red GT line style stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 15,000 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. Thank you.